Hey everybody, this is Design and Technology, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a couple things that my students have designed. Let's go. So the very first thing is this wonderful bridge that was made by a grade 7 student. I don't know if I've shared it before, but it's really cool. Let's fly through this. Pretty psychedelic. I'm sure everybody's quite fascinated with how they did it, but I'm sure once you see how it's done, you'll be able to figure it out on your own. What else is there? There's a large sphere, or half a sphere up here. Let's see what else we've got. There's a whole collection of weird designed structures that have been both coded and built. I don't know if this one's hollow. Let's check it out. Nope. But someone has carved out some pathways. There's been a lot of experiments, as I've mentioned in a previous video. There's the classroom. There's some destroyed designs over there. Here's a sphere in a box, part of a sphere over here. Towers. And of course, a couple buildings over here. Oh, there's something down there. And another bridge. Let's see. Discs. Oh yeah. There's a couple structures. This is one of those attempts at coding buildings, and the experiment was not a failure, but it is what it is. There is a tunnel down here. This one has been cut off. Let's get down there. What do we see? Not much. Oh no, there isn't anything else here. Must be somewhere else. Oh, here it is. So there's a whole tunnel system. These ones were all coded. It's a pretty simple code. You can see probably one of my other videos where I was doing pyramids. These are just large rooms, also shown in another previous video. And there's pistons, which are not working currently. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a message down below.